What's up, guys? Toned up. Welcome to my channel. Here I got a collection of bunch of trimming tools that I use. This one I use the most, and the other one I basically left them on the shelf and collect rust. This one I use a lot, to the point that this little swivel connector fall off of it. I don't want to toss it away. This is a decent product right here, and I use it a lot, and it lasts me for over 15 years already, and I believe I can fix this easily or use one of my old ones. This is more comfortable. I like using it, but because this loose part right here, this will not function properly. So let me show you how to fix it. But you do need a welder, and I got one. And this is a piece of rod right here that go in here as a swivel point. If you happen to lose this right here, you can maybe get a bolt or something and put it in here and remove the excess. So it needs to be flush on both sides, otherwise it will hit this bar right here. There is a washer in between these two pieces of blades. So what happens is if this thing stick out too much, it'll hit this part right here, so you gotta be flush. So here you go, now it's in. But the problem is it's loose. It will move back and forth easily. If it stick out a little too much, like this right here, when I try to use it, and it won't close all the way. So let's go and fix this right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the metal right here. You can remove the blades by undoing this nut right here, but I'm just trying to do it without removing anything. So now they make all these cutters and snippers and trimmers with the little swivel on it. In time, these will wear out and they'll fall apart, so you gotta buy new ones. Like for example, this is a more expensive brand right here. They don't use any swivels connections here, just one main one, that's it. Even the old ones right here, these are Coronas, and just one swivel point. This one also got the part they connect these blades together with rivets. So in time, you can see this one fall off, and this side too. So what I did is I welded together, never come off again. Did it on both sides, and it works great. Now it's just like one piece. I'm gonna do the same for this one here. See how this one is all loose, and I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna weld it. So now the weld keep this rod in place when I grind down, so it's flush, so it don't hit the side right here. Now it's all good. Let me go ahead and sharpen the blades a little bit. Got a flat file. So before you throw these away, it only take about 5-10 minutes to fix this right here. It's better than before, and you save a lot of money and you don't have to waste your time going to the store and get some. So I hope this video is helpful on repairing these rivets here, holding your cutter, your trimmer. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Bye.